Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to get seeds or seedlings from plants like these that you don't have the seeds. I don't have the seeds, these plants right here, I don't have the seeds for them. So and I can't find the seeds for them anywhere, so I'm gonna try to get seedlings out of them from the cuttings. So I'm gonna cut some of them and replant them, so that way I can get seedlings for the new year or the new growing season. So let's check it out. Let me show you how I do it. So you can use a scissors or a knife to cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out this right here. There's a couple of areas where the ice can come out, so I'm just gonna cut it over here like this. And from these I can get like 2 or 3 different seedlings from them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this over here like that, and there I have these, and I'm gonna use this as a separate one. So what I'm gonna do right now is just take out the leaves. That will give you more opportunity for it to do much better. Just take out the big leaves that are there. You don't want it to have a lot of leaves that is going to be draining a lot of the resources it needs to try to put out roots and germinate. So I'm going to do the rest of them, and then we're going to go to the next step. Okay, I cut everything already, so we're going to go to the next step, which is planting it in our these are seed starting mix that I made, and I filled up my container that I'm gonna use. I have a video that shows you how to make your own seed starting mix for pennies. So check out the video. I'll see if I can put the link to in the description below. Check out the link for that. What I'm gonna use for the rooting agent is this is Garden Safe Take Root. There are a couple of different ones that you can use. This is the one I have right now that I'm using. So I'll see if I can put the description for it below. But this is what I'm gonna use to help it take root. So what you need to do is, as you see, the powder right there. So what you do is you also need a container of water, like just regular water like that. That way you need to steep the let me take out the sleeves. You need to steep the stem into the rooting into water before sticking it into the. So what we're gonna do is you take it like this, and you just steep it into the water so that it's gonna be able to absorb. Just take out the water, then you just touch it, and you just tap like that. You just tap, take out the excess rooting agent, and you plant it like that. Okay, we do the same thing with the next. Just want to steep it in water, and then just put it in here. Just tap out the excess, and you just put it into your potting mix or seed starting mix that you're using. So that's this one has water, a little bit of water on it already, so just tap it like that. I'm gonna put 4 of them on each, so that way once the roots come out and they start germinating, I can transplant them to their containers. So I do that. You just want to put it in there like that. Just tap it, take out the excess, and then you plant. So that's it. As simple as that. One important thing you have to know is that once you have all of them, you want to make sure that you maintain the moisture of the soil, and you sprinkle a little bit of water. You use misting, just mist the container regularly, so that way it doesn't get dry. The water, just put it in there like that. Then we're gonna put it right there. Okay, I'll just continue to do the rest, and we'll come back to the end when I'm done doing the rest. Okay, we're all done now. This is ready. you're just gonna put it aside. What you're gonna need to do once in a couple of days is mist it with a little bit of water, so that way you don't let it dry. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right now, so that way every couple of days you just want to make sure that you mist it with a little bit of water, so that way it stays moist and it continues to, it's gonna start germinating. So you're just gonna mist it like that. So you're just gonna mist it like this, just to make sure that it's a little bit wet, and that should be fine. So every couple of days you just have to mist it, and depending on the plants, maybe within 2 weeks you should start see offshoots and it should start germinating. Okay, after about a week and a half, as you can see, they're already coming out. The leaves, the cuttings are already germinating, and they're coming out. All of them are coming out, so it should be fine. I'll give it another week again, and then I should be able to transplant them into individual containers. Yeah, I say about a week or two, it should be perfectly fine to transplant the cuttings into individual containers, individual pots, or in the garden. So that's how you get cuttings. You get plants from cutting the stems and stuff like that. I'm gonna see if I can put the links to the roots activating, or the root agent that I use, in the description below. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notified for any upcoming videos. And have a fabulous day and happy growing.